If metalwork is what you need, my anvil's ready. So, you got your decks scrubbed, cannons swabbed, and your loins girded. Good. It's time you rumble to the company ships. The cocky pricks keep helping themselves to my iron. Blast them to bits! How fares your day, pirate? Word of advice. Stay out of clan of fire or territory, lest you want to get a tour of the sea. Even the sea wouldn't give you a wave. I can craft whatever you need. Remember, we never talked. You itching to deal with John Skurlock, hmm? Don't go drowning in a mud puddle.